Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics, here introducing an updated kit for 2005 to 2007 Dodge Magnums and Dodge Chargers, the 99-6548B and 6548CF. This kit is designed for a single and double din install. Difference in them being is the B is painted black and the CF has a carbon fiber finish. To finalize this install, your wiring harness will be the XSVI-6502-NAV and CHTO-01, and your antenna adapter will be the 40-CR10. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.